Hey everybody, welcome back to another YouTube video. I am recording. Yes, we're going to be faking as a soundboard. I haven't joined a code yet, so let's go. And I'm going to be saying hello, yes, or no. Well, I'm not going to say or, but I'll be yes, hello, yes, no. Okay, let's go. It's a fake soundboard. Hello. Hello. Yellow. Hello. Yellow. Hello. Hello. Brown.
Bro, if you're modding, then fly.
I'm using the mod menu that so it's called the mod menu is called
Hello. Purple.
the Ghost
Hello,
mod
new
menu.
player.
So it has
Oh my god, are you real?
it has
Hello.
Think
Pinkle.
it's Sophia real.
Hello.
What?
Pink.
Do something a ghost would do then.
Hello.
it
Yes.
has speed boost.
Use
It is
speed boost right now then.
Hello. Blue. Hello. Black.
Then wall. No, do vertical. Do vertical. Do vertical.
What do you mean
Okay,
by
he's doing
vertical?
vertical.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Does it have wall run? It doesn't have wall run. It has sticky hands.
Blue.
that stick to
Blue.
the wall.
Blue. Blue. Watch.
And
Watch.
it's like stickier hands and
Watch.
instead of having like two, you're able to, instead of having like a few seconds
Like
to
this.
stick to
Like
the wall,
this.
you're able to like,
Wait, how do you do that? Ping.
Black.
Might as well just go
Black.
to the server.
Black.
wait, who said I,
Ping.
were you the one who said?
Hello.
Pink what?
Hello.
No.
I swear I have a mod menu.
Yes.
I have a question. Do you know how to do double walls?
Yes.
You know how to do
yes.
double walls?
Yes.
Also,
Then show me.
wait, double wall? That's easy.
I know, but this is new, I think. I think he's new.
I'm totally not about to adjust.
You have a mic?
Yes. Yes.
Oh.
I'm totally not about to adjust.
Steven. Oh, yeah, you guys can do doubles.
Do you know?
You guys, I can do doubles.
Do you know
too.
Green Gamer?
Whoever
Do
does
you know
dou-
Green Gamer?
Everybody go to the bottom. Whoever does double walls first gets 0.1 shiny rocks.
Okay. 3?
Start now.
Everyone come down. Wait, we haven't started. Come back.
Yeah, we
We
have.
haven't even started.
If I go first, I get to keep my shiny rocks.
No, guys, we have to restart.
Black. Black. Black.
On go.
Teal made up.
Come down.
Teal made it
I'll
up.
count us down. On go.
Yellow made it up. Yellow made it up.
Come down.
Pink
come
made
down.
it up.
Bro, come down.
Wait,
You're
guys,
gay if you don't
Yes.
come down.
Yes.
You're gay if you don't come down. Okay, all of you guys are gay.
Do you know Green Gamer? Do you know Green Gamer?
It's 1,000 Who?
Green Gamer.
Green gamer, no.
I won. I totally don't have mods.
Idiot. Idiot. Idiot.
Yeah, I saw you. You had mods.
I totally don't have mods.
That's me, bro. That's me. I'm recording right now. You're in a video. Oh.
Race like online people.
You're not actually modding. I swear.
Pat.
Oh, like mean you can't play that?
Bro. Ooh. What are you trying to do? Are you trying to go down? Where are you trying to go up?
Now.
You can't summon.
I tried to go to the other side.
Okay, hold on.
And then,
Whoever
oh,
wants to
dang it.
summon Lucy with me, come to computer. Me. I want to summon Lucy.
Summon Lucy, summon Lucy. Green, what color? Everybody touch every single candle. Touch every single candle. Everybody touch every single candle.
No, look at my name.
It's Dude. His name is Dude. His name is Dude.
Okay, I'll meet you guys in the code.
What's the code? Stupid.
Here, to do a caliber rope.
What's the code to spawn Lucy? Everyone, if you want to spawn Lucy, the code is 5434.
How you spell Dude?
Hey, if you want to spawn Lucy, join the code 5434.
Hey guys, why is everyone frozen?
No joke.
Oh, I know what you mean. What's the code?
Wait, is everyone frozen? Guys, why is everyone frozen for you?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, everyone's frozen.
What?
Why is
Yeah,
everyone
everyone
frozen? Everybody, go try to leave. Try to leave the game. Everyone. Well, try to leave the server. Press option 1. What the f? Did his balloon finally pop? Or what was that? Everybody, I demand you. Everybody, come to the leaderboard. Everybody, come to the leaderboard. Everybody, come to the leaderboard. Okay, everybody, come to the leaderboard.
Who wants to play only up with you?
How do I do this?
Ghost, get up.
I want to get on it.
Who wants to spawn Lucy? Everybody touch a candle. Everybody touch a candle.
I will.
Touch candle.
How do I do this? Okay. Anyone? Give me a high five. Hey, give me a high five. Give me a high five. Hey, team, give me a high five.
Touch lots of candles.
High five. Yo, bro, just give me a high five. I touched them all.
Not here, everywhere in the map. Touch every single candle in the map.
Hi, green. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. No, I want to know how to play. And then, do you want to play on here with me?
Touch every single candle, even here.
Can everybody teach me how to play? Gray, pink, gray, pink. What? Everybody teach me how to play. And that's why you don't. You no. What? And that's why you let Hello, Cloud. Don't breathe fire in my face. Join the code, okay? Here, anyway, come here. Come here. I'll teach you how to play, boy. Okay, red. You're mine. What? What?
Oh, shoot. Frick.
Wait, what are you doing?
I got
Real red.
take your time.
What is wrong with you? What is wrong with you? Red, come here. This game is crazy. I want to teach you how to play. Oh my god. Red. It's mewing.
Wait, what's my name?
It's mewing. Bro, that's so easy to do. It's mewing. Fast as you can. Yeah, he's gone.
That's my name.
Oh, wait.
He's mewing.
Fill up my-
No, he's gone.
Why did you do?
No, he's mewing. Oh wait, where'd he go?
Oh,
Yeah, he locked out of the server.
wait.
Who wants to be my?
Angels,
Why do you want to climb? No.
Guys, that was Lucy.
What in the skivity are you doing? Probably. It's. Okay, yeah.
Bruh.
Red, you want
Hey,
to
I
know
wanna do
how
a
to
FNAF
play?
roleplay. I want to do a FNAF roleplay.
Okay.
Dude!
I'll play with you.
Nobody feels like reading all of this, bro.
I'm recording right now.
Hello.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna turn into a new player. Take off. Let's go. I'm gonna try. Can someone teach me?
Bro, why
Please?
did I think this was over here?
Why did
I clicked casual.
This Halloween map is too scary for me. Is it too scary for you?
Yeah, it's too scary for me too.
Yeah.
Way too scary for me.
Yeah,
Red, can you teach me?
Alex, that's what I do.
guys, I'm not gonna bot.
Can you teach me?
I'm going
Please?
to I'm going
No one will teach me. No. Can you teach me? No one will teach me
of what?
how to play. I got
Okay,
this
So
yesterday.
you could go like this.
Ugh.
Yeah. Then look. You go grab your hand like this. Then slam hard.
Ugh.
You gotta keep on practicing.
Ugh.
You're in a code, dude.
Ugh.
You're in a public
Then look.
Ugh. Like this?
Try to get on this tree.
code. You're not in a code.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Red.
Are you in?
Oh,
Yeah.
wait, I'm doing pull-ups.
Wait,
Ugh.
are you?
4, 5. Oh, this is.
Hey, come get up. Come. Do you want to get on the broom with me?
Yes. Yes.
We have to wait for the broom.
What's
You
the
want to know how to
broom?
climb on this?
That broom.
Come.
No.
Look, this is how you climb.
No, this is how you climb. This is how you climb. This is the flow.
Okay. Like this? Teacher, like this?
Yeah.
Red, like this?
Yeah, you're doing great. I'm just doing walk.
Wait for the broom. The broom. No. We left the broom.
No.
Here, let's wait this time. There's 2.
Guys,
Hey, you want to be friends?
Name's Bill Cipher.
Yes.
Let's do this.
Let's do it all together. Let's do it all together. Okay. Now we're actually in a group.
Wait.
Yeah.
Our friend should be like,
Wait, the broom.
Get up!
No. Everybody get down. Get down. Wait for him.
So do we drop? Alright.
bro, I'm too slow.
Look at this.
Wait, there's another room. There's another room. Oh, no, it's too high. For. Wait, what if we wait on top of bridge? What if we wait on that thing? What if we wait where the targets are? What if we wait up there on the bridge?
You see this thing? You gotta go like this. You know how you did the bracelet? You do that and then jump on the broom.
Everybody!
Red,
No!
Red, I jumped off.
You guys, I didn't see it.
Okay, you need to keep your eyes peeled for a broom.
Wait.
Red. Friend, pink. Modder. Wait, can I talk to Red for Red? Come here. You and me alone. Red, come here. Red.
The broom is coming!
You gotta do this.
Guys, grab
You
it!
gotta do this.
Red, I got on.
Yeah, that's black.
Black! No!
And this too.
Do you want to let go or just stay on?
No! Yeah, let's let go. Either way, our friend.
Yeah, it's black. I was
Climb
on.
up the roof. Guys, I think I feel a little too powerful.
Dude, what?
Yeah, you did it. First of all, let me tell you about me. The name's Phil
Wait.
Cipher, and I feel like you're modding where at
T-
the moment.
red, broom,
The
broom.
broom! Just the glitch.
The broom. Black.
The black. What? Don't drop. Nobody drop. Nobody drop.
No.
Nobody drop.
No, boys. No, boys. Got the crew, my friends. We got the crew.
Hey, black. Hey, black.
Everybody, don't worry. I'm the leader of this. Now, who is ready to go? Not me.
No, there's a little bit.
But I say,
No,
yo, I'm the leader. Yo, I be slapping someone.
Whoa.
Alright, this is the
Wait,
walk-off, y'all.
wait, come on. Yes.
Alright.
There's so much people and I'm not doing this.
You know what? No.
Red, let's jump up there. Let's see if we can get up there. Red, jump. Red.
Wait, you'll have to do it. Press that.
No, dude.
Then I can like use that for my point of view. And then you switch to your point of view. Wait. Sorry, I'm fine.
Y'all, don't worry. I'm back.
Yo, I'm back. Okay.
I'm the leader. Get back.
Are you scared of it?
I'm the new kid. So I'm the leader.
No, dude.
Roaming around waiting for my friends.
Hey, I'm the leader. I'm the new kid.
I kind of agree.
It's Tissus. And jump, guys.
Huh?
No, keep slapping things. God dang it.
Oh, what the?
Go to the stop. Oh, come on.
Dígame si me...
The whole
Te voy a
group
chocar.
goes pop. Why am I talking in a British accent? Mate, I'll be in the very back, y'all.
Do you want this to be a...
Chugga, chugga,
Yo, do you want
chugga.
this... Do you want this to be a train or a...
Oh, that way. Come on.
Hello.
Everybody, next time we pass that, jump on that. Jump on top of stump, okay?
Okay.
By the way, I'm not new. I've been training
Is
for
this a train
3
or a bus?
freaking years.
Is this a train or a bus?
No, it's a broom, stupid. Everybody, once we get on top of stump, jump on top of stumps once we pass by. Jump on top of stump. Jump on top of stump. Once we-
Yo, what's good?
Next time I'll pick you up. Everybody, once we get there, jump on stump. Once we're really close. Jump on stump once I say it. So
5, 4,
jump,
3, 2, 1.
jump.
I fell, y'all.
It's okay. I'm coming back anyways.
Alright, go back to the spot so you can pick us up.
Was it?
Everyone go back to stump. Everyone go back to stump.
Yelling for something. Guys, right here. Woo!
Everyone come.
Alright, get in a line. You're supposed to get in line on the bus.
That's what
Supposed to be in the phone line on the bus.
Wait, where's the bus?
Right here.
Sorry, dude. It already passed.
Yeah, bro.
Sorry,
Bro's
dude,
supposed to be
already
down
passed.
there. Everybody, jump up there.
I did it, y'all. I did it.
Jump.
I did it.
Oh no.
It's okay. Stay here until they come back.
Nothing
They're
happened.
probably
Guys, stay there. Stay there.
Stay there.
You need to
Oh no.
Wait, do this.
Wait, dude.
Okay, jump as soon as we get there. Okay? Come on.
Alright.
Hey,
Now you could say someone to put their
you ready?
hands behind their back.
3, 2, 1, jump.
Put their hands behind your back. Put their hands
You
behind
can
your
walk.
back.
You can jump back up the stump. Come on. They're coming.
Put your hands behind your back.
But did you miss your one?
Put your hands behind your
I haven't done this in a while.
back.
Guys, I'm coming slowly but surely.
Behind your back. Bro, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Yo, there's a butter on this thing.
Yo, on top of some cheese.
The bathroom.
No, put your hands behind your back. Put your hands.
All you have to do is move.
Wait, hold up.
Go spit forward. Push it. Like, make it where I can't see. Do it again.
Yeah. Clap for some cheese.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. Guys, you see Lucy? By the candles.
Put your hands behind your back. Mr. Monkey, put your hands behind your back.
Why don't you stay?
Do it.
Oh my god!
No, go.
No, I'm escaping. No, I saw Lucy. No, I'm close. I'm done.
Day's over.
She's chasing after me. She's chasing after me. I go jump here.
Where's Lucy? Yo, it's so rough. Bro, stay on that. I promise Lucy won't get you if you're on the room. I want to play mini games.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Yeah? You know what?
Hi, you're trained.
No.
Before the end of
Come here, broom.
I just like to put your hands behind.
Goodbye, guys.
Here.
No,
you
I'm
put
trying to get the broom.
No! I'm clapping the tree. Whoa. No. Put your hands behind your back.
Hands on my head.
You have to hit my hands and then I'll make noise.
Whoa.
Oh my god!
Not gonna lie, I kind of like this up there. I'm not scared.
Oh my god, put your hands behind your back.
You guys, the broom is arriving. Please come to the broom place. The broom is arriving. The broom is arriving.
No, please! Don't tree.
Yo, where'd you go?
Wait, come on, Miss Lou, and let's go.
White, put your
Okay.
hands behind your back. White, look behind your face. Put your hands behind your back. Like that. But no, they're not behind your back. If you find
Yes, they are.
Clap some chick.
Huh?
You ready? You ready?
Is the broom arriving? Oh, the broom! The broom! No!
Everybody get on top of stump. Get to meeting area. Meeting area is top of stump.
Controls like this.
Where's meeting area?
Yeah. Meeting area is on top of stump. We're gonna figure out how we're gonna spawn Lucy. Wait,
I'm in the meeting area. Put your
I'm not there yet. I passed it.
Oh my god.
Are you good?
I'm doing the floss. Everybody, I'm doing the floss.
You know what you sound like? Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Yes, I did it!
No cheese. In the day? No, it's because of that new noise added like this.
Yeah, you don't even listen.
Oh!
Oh, what the?
Okay, Rick.
Oh, God.
Bro, put your hands behind your back.
Oh, no,
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Yo, put your hands.
Oh, man.
Casey's insanely fast, bro.
Yo, guys.
Guys, I'm here.
The Halloween
Everybody.
outfit is sick.
I'm
Wait, do
recording.
you know? Bro, put your hands.
I'm
Bro,
recording.
Everybody sit on a candle and a pumpkin. Everybody sit on a candle and a pumpkin. Yellow, don't get too close. Yellow, look at my hand.
Joke. Bro, that guy's trying to report
Sit.
me 'cause
Sit
I'm
on the
joking.
candles or the pumpkins.
Which candle?
Any.
Candle. This candle?
Any.
Candle?
Any candles or any
candle?
pumpkins. any candles. You can pick that one, that one, that one, that one, or that one. Or you can pick that pumpkin, that pumpkin, that pumpkin, or that pumpkin. Is everybody here? There's not 2 people in this lobby. Oh, a lot of people are still waiting for the brooms. Okay.
Reported me because I was joking, and some other people that probably don't want to participate, other yappity things. But y'all,
Everyone, come on top of stuff. We are now summoning Lucy.
Yes.
summon Lucy yawned over there where Lucy lays. Yeah, follow me. This is not where we summon Lucy.
We're gonna have to get up here very soon.
Yo, please.
So I wanted a team meeting. Everybody, go to Lucy. Go to Lucy spawns.
Is your mic good?
Guys, I know how to spawn Green Lucy. Everybody, I know how to spawn Green Lucy. I think it's Green Lucy. Everybody, I know how to spawn Green Lucy. Come here, come here. So you're gonna tap Lucy's, all these candles right here. Even the top one. And everybody tap these candles. Tap all of these candles, even that pig top one.
Tap the candles. You only tap this top one, this, and the skulls behind here.
You need to tap this.
We need to tap
This.
the skulls behind here too.
No, you don't.
Yeah, you do. That's how I did it last time.
To spawn Green Lucy.
And it worked. Come here, Daddy. Daddy, come here. No.
Hi, Lucy. Everybody, get on Stomp. Get on Stomp.
I know, but I
Everybody, get on Stomp. And no one get caught by Lucy. Everybody, get on Stomp. It's going for someone.
Would he be going to?
Well, look, Lucy's in my game.
This guy! The Antigua, of course.
That was a lesson.
Oh, never mind, he disconnected. No, it's that guy.
That guy.
Oh, I know. Man,
Bro,
what's
do
he
you
even doing
not?
to
Do you not?
me?
Bro,
You know.
Bro doesn't want to go on a date with Lucy. That's crazy.
Oh, damn, you want to date with Lucy?
Oh, I don't know.
I want to get caught. Does it have to be chasing after you? Just get caught.
Lucy.
Bro's modding. Bro's modding.
And say you love her. Bro, you okay?
Spawn Lucy again.
Because funny how dumb you are.
Man, wait, someone's calling you.
Tom Holland. What the fuck? Man, I want to talk to you.
Bro, why is it
Cloud, who wants to spawn Lucy? Who wants to spawn Lucy?
What do you think we're doing?
Join the code OI. Join the code OI.
Okay. Are we going to spawn every single color? Even yellow?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Oh, I.
Is anyone doing the OI? We need like 3 people. Is anyone doing one?
I'm joining.
Yeah.
I want
We need one more person. Don't stop. OI.
I will.
For what?
For spawning Lucy.
Lucy.
I joined the code OI. Hello?
Guys, how do you spawn yellow Lucy?
I know, guys.
Candle.
Guys, come here. I know how to spell.
Follow Pink. He's the alpha. He's the lead. I'm kidding.
What?
Everyone tickles Lucy's pickles.
Okay, so guys, you're gonna tap every single candle right here. Even her skull. Bro, what the?
Okay.
Even this top
Okay,
one.
I did that. Okay, I tapped every
And
single
now
one.
go on top of stump.
Okay, guys, tap every single candle, even on the top end. On Lucy's grave, and then go on top of stump. I don't think it's gonna work though.
And I'll explain the rest.
But we never know, though. It might work. I'm gonna pickle her,
There's a
pickle.
bunch on the bridge too. And
No, I mean like I fly behind every candle on Lucy's grave.
Yeah, everyone tap the candles on Lucy's grave and then come to top of stump and I'll explain the rest.
I don't.
I'm
can we
gonna-
just
I'm
summon
gonna-
like Red Lucy
or
and
in-
others or whatever?
Wait, what about Red Lucy? How do you get Red Lucy?
I don't know if that's even a thing. I only know how to spawn yellow Lucy right now.
I'm just
Red Lucy? Guys, I know I just spotted Red Lucy.
How? Just having the scope.
Okay, yeah, follow me. So go to Lucy's grave,
Are we spawning red or yellow?
and then press her head, and then
Bro,
literally,
I want to spawn yellow. I've never spawned yellow in my entire life.
on school to get Red Lucy. Tap them, tickle their pickle. Lucy, spawn! Light her on fire! Light her on fire! Look at Lucy. Kill her.
Guys, we have enough for yellow Lucy. We can spawn yellow Lucy. We have enough people.
Just tap her. You sure this works? Yes, I've done it like multiple times. How long does it take? It takes like, I don't know, 1 minute. A minute? Okay, then not that long,
Okay.
yeah.
Guys,
I think we might need more
I'm
people.
still touching the
guys,
camera.
I know how to spawn yellow Lucy. It doesn't take a minute. So
Okay,
tap
just
every single one of these candles.
After this though.
And we have enough people to spawn it. Okay, now go on top of stump. And I'll explain the rest.
No. Wait, after Red Lucy.
No! Do yellow Lucy right now. Because it doesn't take a minute. Thank you. I'm the boss here.
I think
I
it's been longer
think
than
it
a minute
does.
anyway, so.
Because it's been
I don't think
taking
we're
a
gonna have to wait.
little bit.
I think Blue Lucy spawned. but
You don't have to
really
wait.
far away from it.
Well,
You sure it's real? How do we know it's real?
Because I've spawned it before.
Video proof? You have video proof? Exactly.
What?
He doesn't have video proof, so he's probably lying.
We have enough people. There's 5 candles. And there's 5 of us.
we're only able to get us. Come on. This is taking more than a minute.
Really? Okay, let's just try to spawn Lucy. Let's just try to spawn Red Lucy. That's way easier.
No, bro. I am not spawning
Bro,
red
it's
Lucy.
way easier, bro. I don't want to wait 10 years just to spawn Lucy, and it doesn't even work. Tap Lucy. Tap her.
Okay, everybody. I'm on top of stump.
After this, we'll try, okay? Hey, Lucy,
Okay, I'll wait for you guys on top of stump. So you can spawn the fake red Lucy. Doopy.
Why is it not working? Nothing's working.
See? It's not gonna work. Nah, bro, I'm not telling you a secret, I guess. None of you guys are spawning yellow Lucy.
One more person. I think everyone has to tap Lucy. Wait, Lucy spawned! Lucy spawned!
Red Lucy or
Where's Sand 22Q22TT? Purple.
Red Lucy spawned? Did you guys say Red Lucy spawned?
No, nothing spawned yet. Why is it not working?
Because
I
it's
hear,
stupid.
what is that? I hear something. I hear like a ghost.
Ooh.
Look, Lucy, go really
Ooh,
go.
so scary, you stupid. Okay, I know how to spawn another Lucy. Tap every single freaking candle.
No. Fine. Just do it, because he's gonna consist us. There's only 4 people in here now, so.
Okay, we can still do Yellow Lucy.
Okay, everyone tap the candles, but I don't think anyone, wait, does everyone have to get on top of the stump?
Yes.
Well, we're screwed because the light blue is not can't go on top of it.
Well, there's literally brooms that you can ride on.
He's still not gonna try to, Lucy's not even gonna spawn at this point because we keep messing with it.
Okay, yeah.
Why is it not spawning?
By the way, guys,
to spawn Lucy.
everybody go inside a stump, and I want to tell you guys something. Go inside a stump, and I want to tell you guys something.
Okay. Yeah, we had us.
Everyone come inside a stump.
What? What?
Okay?
Tell us.
I am Green Gamer, the YouTuber. You guys been chilling with the YouTuber. I'll show you the finger painter.
People is not gonna show us the finger painter. That was not the finger painter. That was the golden monkey stuff.
I know. I have the content creator badge.
That is not the content creator badge, bro. Bro, I even have it too. That is not it, bro.
Okay, I'm recording right now. You're in the video, and everyone here,
Guys, I have it too.
comment that this red guy
Everyone calls
sucks.
Pink is a skibbity monkey. Now comment that I'm the W and he's a skibbity snot sigma. Yeah. You're not even that famous. You're probably only like 1 subscriber, actually.
Shh. I have I have 100K followers on TikTok.
Subscriber, bro. Yeah,
I have 100
subscribers. Who does not have 100?
Will you actually shut?
I think Will has 190 subscribers. Oh, okay, fine. Okay, what's your name? I'm gonna report him, guys. I'm gonna report him.
You are muted. I'm only unmuting.
Toxicity.
Purple and blue, I unmuted you because I didn't want to hear the yapper. Oh, toxicity. You say that toxicity? Well, you know what? Your toxicity? Everyone, put down in the comments that red is... Like and subscribe, please. And follow. We're almost at that game.
You see nothing.
What's the magic word?
No.
What's the magic? Okay, I don't like you no more. I'm muting you. Okay, I'm leaving the whole entire freaking game.
Bro, are you serious?
Okay. Yeah, everybody put the bro is L in the comments. Red was L. Everybody.
Spice.
If you want...
I know.
If you want to go back to school...
Don't get your big back after me against, you know what, better than you. What are you doing, Red? Lucy, your big back self don't mind me.
Everybody who wants to be in a YouTube video. Bye, guys. Next video is October 4th. Your mom forced.